connection card that is located in your worship folder or in the pew rack in front of you. These help us to get to know you better. If you have a prayer request, feel free to share it on the back of the card. You can mark all church prayer, and your request will be added to the weekly prayer list, or confidential, and your request will only be shared with the pastors, and they will pray over your request when they meet this week. Next Sunday, we'll meet together to celebrate the past year and to elect leaders for the year ahead. Our annual meeting will begin at 5 with a potluck, followed by the elections at 6. Read through your worship folder to find out what food to bring and about more details on what elections will be happening that night. Thank you to everyone who has worked so hard to clean up the areas outside of our church building. If you're interested in joining the team on any of the Saturdays left in March, please visit the Helping Hands table in the foyer. To all those who volunteer or donate any of their time to this project, they receive a yummy cookie made by the famous Gary McClin. Good! Mark your calendars for our Easter program right around the corner. It's happening on both Friday, April 6th, and Sunday, April 8th. Invitations will be available soon so that you can invite all your friends and family. Thanks so much for joining us today, and have a great morning.